What's up everyone? Corey Parks here, owner of Hydro Help 911. Wanted to shoot a quick video for you to talk about how much does foundation repair cost. This is something we get asked quite often, whether it's through social media, whether it's through our website, whether it's through in person with our customers. So we wanted to shoot a quick video and discuss some of the factors that would drive those costs. First and foremost, what is damaged and how much is the extent of damage? Is it just a little bit of rotten wood under the house? Is it the actual foundation wall that is sinking? Does the wall need to be replaced? How did you learn about it? Was it sticking windows or doors? Does it floors unlevel or are they sloping a little bit? A lot of this stuff is going to be taking into consideration when we talk about what are those foundation repair costs. You know, if the foundation is damaged, are we just stabilizing it just to hold it in place to prevent further damage from occurring? Or do we want to lift it and put it back in its original place? That'll be up to you to decide as a homeowner. We're happy to do either. Do we have to do any type of dig out or pulling walls, basement walls back straight, or crawl space walls? What type of building construction was the house constructed with? And unfortunately, there's nothing in the construction industry that is industry standard. You'll hear that from contractors who like to hide behind that term. Every situation is different and every situation has its unknowns. As mentioned earlier, when it comes to the cost of foundation repair, replacing wood, adding additional supports under the house, adding helical piers, push piers, carbon fiber, I-beams, helical tiebacks, plate anchor systems, and a vast variety of other options to repair foundations all play into the cost of what it's going to take to repair. For 2022, our low end was somewhere in the 2000s. Our highest project that we completed was $101,000. But don't be scared. $101,000 is definitely not typical, and we don't do many of them that's in that range. Our average job for 2022 was $14,200. So if you have foundation damage, a good number to look at is roughly $14,200. That's across all of our jobs throughout 2022. Hopefully this helps you. Hopefully it provides you with a little bit of insight on what potentially it could cost to fix your foundation. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, or want us to do more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can send us a message through any social media or reach out to us at 704-813-9554. You can call or text that number or talk to us on our website. Thanks, and y'all have a good day.